People often ask us what's different about GRS, and that is people at the heart of everything we do. At GRS, we're creating a culture of success through instilling and living our values. Caring, inspiring, developing, excelling with a can-do attitude.
Personality of the business is upbeat. This attracts positive attitudes and reflects in our daily production.
But every day you work with such great people that are going to drive you to be better, that are going to encourage you to push on and be the best that you can be.
No 2 days are the same. Every day there's a new challenge to face, and the team of people I work with, they're a really good team of people.
One day I could be out visiting customers, going to bagging plants, quarries. Following day I'll be out with area directors, suppliers, maybe looking at ways to improve business between the two of us.
People are fantastic. Different haulage drivers coming through, different personalities, different ages. It's great. The banter, the laugh, it's brilliant.
We are all one big team, and it's the people. People make it.
We have three main areas of focus in our business. Number one in people, number one in customer experience, and then number one in the markets we operate in.
It's professional, it's well run, but at the same time it's friendly. Everybody on here knows one another. We've got a good, very flexible team around us. Everybody knows their jobs.
Family, committed company, very caring, very loyal.
Like a little family. Everyone is the banter off each other. Everyone helps each other out.
Number one in people means putting people at the heart of everything we do, in their safety, in their continuous development, and also in their enjoyment at coming to work.
I like working for GRS because they're a caring company and they've given me an opportunity to progress within my current role.
Just the various skills that I've learnt while I've been here. This was completely new to me, and I've learnt so much within the past 3 years being within the company.
While working for GRS, I've been on numerous management courses which have helped develop me and help develop my managerial skills.
The GRS Academy offers every employee the opportunity to maximise and be recognised for their individual skills and capability.
We've got a great training academy and can help further your career throughout the business.
I'd say the highlight so far has got to be the army training that we've done at Sandhurst, where we were learning to be more effective leaders.
I'd like to think that it has made me an all-round better person, not just as a manager, but as a person in life.
It's given me the confidence, in all honesty. It's given me confidence in my job and outside of my job.
We want to give our people a job for life, and we do this by not only investing in the skills they need to do the job now, but also for the future, no matter where their life's journey takes them.
Given we spend so much time at work, it's important that we enjoy it, that we feel rewarded for it, and that we go home safely at the end of each day.
For anyone joining GRS, my advice would be believe in zero harm.
GRS are really good at welcoming everyone for who they are and how they are.
If you do your best by them, they will do their best by you. So work hard, keep it up, and you'll go far.
One of the things I value about GRS is the opportunity we give people to be themselves.
Go for it. Take the bull by the horns. Take what you can get. They give you the opportunity, take it. You don't know till you try everything here how you're going to get on.
Be honest, hard working, because later on in GRS you could have the opportunity to progress.
It's like no other company I've ever worked for, so you've got to be coming in and embrace the culture and the people and everything that goes with it.
Give it your all, don't hold back, do what you can and you'll do well in the company.
A can-do attitude, a willingness to learn, and believe in zero harm.
With that, you will be successful.
With GRS you get the chance to develop and move on in life.
If people feel valued, they'll go beyond. And if we go beyond, we'll be successful.
I'd say that GRS is a fast-paced, dynamic business.
Fun, passionate, exhilarating.
Caring, consistent and reactive.
Passionate, friendly, caring.
It's ambitious, determined and focused.
Professional, friendly and welcoming.
Caring, progressive and one big family.
Caring, I'd probably say compassionate as well, and very driven.
Fun, fast and definitely caring.
If you'd like to build a future, GRS is the company for you.